Getting ready to crush some apples. Your catcher's getting a little full, Dave. Well, the hornets like the mush here. Oh, more apples.
That's got to be heavy. This is the press that will press all the crushed apples into juice. Sky is getting a lot of love today. She just loves people.
Wow. Quick work of all those apples. A day's custom-made press.
We gotta make this hydraulic.
Yeah.
Or electric or air or something. Pillowcase. Oh,
Pillowcase sleeve for the crushed apples.
We just have to get a match so we can.
She's a terror.
Oh, we used to have labs, so.
And then we run her in the backyard.
Cover up the top.
there we go. That's second sauce. All right, run her down.
Look at that. Filling up quickly. Oh!
I'll go heat this up.
So what's going on here?
Filtering it through cheesecloth. Then we're going to heat this batch up.
Hot apple cider. It looks darker than the batch last year.
This year it's been darker.
Huh.
Okay, here, Karen, hold this. Thank you. And we'll heat this up. Good. Okay, and then back here. Filtering it out. So okay, so we'll.
There goes another batch. Oh, there's a hawk up there.
So you said you're gonna build a bigger one, Dave?
Press, yeah.
Yeah.
I'd like to build a bigger press.
Filled up quickly.
I could say something about very nice.
There we go.
Indeed.
That is great match.
So this mash is going to be deer food.
Yeah, 'cause it's supposed to go in the 20s tomorrow, so.
That's good. Let's just dump it. Do that one
Ready?
or that'll do it?
Oh, you want this one too or not?
No. That's good.
Okay.
So that's it for this year.
Yep. That's it.
The production of 2022.
Again.
Here's the results of our production today. Look at that.
This one too.
Oh, one more.
Oh, wait a minute, and there's another one.
Want me to put the lid on this guy?
Yeah. In here, Will. So,
Wow, smells wonderful. Oh,
oh, it's really old, yeah.
and this is what goes in
Okay.
with the cider.
Does everybody have one? I think everybody
I
should
believe
have
so.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. Clink.
Cheers.
Clink.
Cheers.